We're starting our interview. As I introduce myself, I am Mohammad Shafiul Ajam. I have been working in the oil company, manager audit. I am a professional accountant, chartered accountant, and I have started my career with accounting profession, and later after 2010, I am in audit department, especially internal audits. So there is long experience in my audit department. I have been carrying out two departments, especially one is for the oil company and another is Eastern Lubricant Blenders Limited. Both are listed company in Bangladesh. So first question, and tell your introduction, introduce yourself, please.
Hello, I am Imon. I am from Independent University of Bangladesh. My major is accounting, and that's my 8th semester running.
Okay, thank you. That's your first question was how familiar with digitization, meaning of digitization.
Yes.
Digitization is a process converting your information into digital world. That is computer readable format. One kind of example, making electronic version of book that you are a writer, you can introduce or release your book in internet. That is ebook or e-newspaper. That printable version or e-newspaper is available. E-Prothom Alo, E-Azadi, Daily Star is also. It's another digitization, maybe exemplified e-passport. That is also a kind of digitalization. It is a wide area. Digitalization and digitization, something different. Digitalization is wide. That digitization is something restricted or limited.
Narrow.
That we are digitize our audit documentation through CAG. Our government commercial audit is our auditor. Another auditor. We are internal auditor, government external auditor, government that is run by or operated by CAG. That is Constitutional Post, Comptroller Auditor General. They uploaded their all data in their software. That is another digitization example. Digital process, audit process. This is good and cost saving and time saving. And once your record is digitized, you can save all the document for in infinitive time. That record is not erased or changed by anyone. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Digitization is the process of converting your information in digital format. That is the digitization. The digital world is another wide area. That is a digital. I am saying about digitalization because we are not outside the digitalization.
Yes.
That is the digital world is what will prevail in our audit or accounting in any area, finance or any technological area or marketing. We are not outside the digitalization. So the digitization is part of digitalization. That is artificial intelligence, cloud computing, cyber security. This is digitalization. We are also part of digitalization because of significance and wide area of computing network or internet business, e-commerce, or any technological use of the information. Say you are accounting here in accounting, that we are calling this accounting information system. Previously it was says accounting department. That it was not accounting department. Accounting information system. Why it is called information system? This is the way you are going through the digitalization and digitization. That's the main idea of digitization. So I have completed my first question, I think. So my second question was, what technology has your audit department incorporated? Previously, I was in accounting department, and I was also a bill receivable or bill payable, that is account payable section. That is large garments group, 13 or 14 company, a lot of bills and payables there, and a lot of accounts receivable. So we have to control through our accounting department. Although there was no separate audit department, but I had to do the work of the internal audit, especially for accounts receivable and accounts payable. In multinational company, accounts receivable and accounts payable section is also separate from accounting or treasury department in the current accounting world. So in the group, we have introduced our digitization system through software. We had to use Martian software, that is customized software, and another is Tele software 6.91, another version. I was used to get the opportunity to work in Tele software and Martian software also. And the Tele software, the controller is in the hand of one employee or officer who has the password of changing any errors or omission. If there arises or any data entry wrongly posted by the operators, then he can find out at the end of the day through his correction and see the all journal entries from the books and all other entry at the end of the day, journals and with the cash and bank balance. Through using phone, internet, we used to get our balance from bank. So at the end of the day, we had to do reconciliation, and also in the software entry. We used to do another reconciliation in Excel site from using Excel, and then we have to reconcile the balances from Excel to software after getting information from banks especially, and although also from accounts receivable party, that is debtors or creditors. We had to find out the errors or overpayment. I have also involved in detecting out the overpayment. A lot of cases there was. So we have to be very careful, especially in payment side. That is the flow of transaction should be checked, and there was 3 kinds of security process, that is Excel or one kind of manual and software. We used to have all kind of facility to save our department from overpayment, but there is something chance of unintentional error, not fraud, unintentional error may arise. Although there is a lot of accountant, a lot of entry, a lot of software, there is chance of unintentional mistake. Intentional mistake is fraud in the audit, in the meaning of audit under ISA 240. Unintentional mistake may be made by the banks, also by company, accountant, auditors also. A lot of huge transaction, Our development has, we are expecting 22,000 crore or above in 22-23 accounting year. So there is chance of intentional error. Our accounting scheme or our process of accounting information is so strong, and although manual system is there to save our country from overpayment. That understood?
Yes, sir.
Can I go for another question?
Yes, sir. You can.
Question?
Yes, sir. You can.
Third question, can you utilize the technology in your duty, job activities? How often? Factor weekly through, how often do you have to do this weekly work schedule? We are used to have the technology or using our information, not weekly. We are in daily work. Also in daily work to reconcile any balances with banks, cash, another from depot, all information is coming from our department and our sections and various depot, Dhaka office, and all offices used to send our information through our Poddavel companies. It's another software is this is developed by our Oracle software maker. So we are used to also Oracle. I have to go our IT department and I have to reconcile our balance with our IT using their Oracle software. But we are not used to have our opportunity to because another or accounting auditing software. We're getting the use of accounting software, but we have not launched any use kind of auditing software, especially in our company, the present companies for the oil company, because of our some restriction of legal restriction. So this is the matter of permission from ministry and BBC. So we are trying to develop our accounting software, auditing software, besides apart from accounting software. This is two kind of audit process, that is using the control of execution software or audit software use. So we are using the control mechanism in our existing accounting software, not using the auditing software. We are trying to launch or introduce the auditing software in our company, and we have already I have already you can have my article in LinkedIn. There is an article on audit, internal audit, that I have recommended or give suggestion to the management to introduce auditing software because of upcoming artificial intelligence in auditing. Understood?
Okay, sir.
This will develop our career, not harmful also. Yes, not detrimental. This is development is welcomed by me and welcomed by our company. We are also already developing day by day, and will develop everything step by step. This I'm going to number 4. How comfortable and confident are we utilizing these technologies? Yeah. Using technology is giving comfort, and we are convenient to use or having information because of using software, accounting or auditing software, whatever may be. Using software is comfortable. This is not much critical or complex, but software is mechanized or developed with the help of the accountants policy, rules, and another company's policy, and another we have to develop our software for following through our IFRS, IS, all things. So whatever may be, you have to mechanize your software or customize your software after keeping the mind of keeping the rules, the compliance of rules, regulation, IFRS, and everything. And we are going for SAP or SAP. SAP means all the operational activity will be coming to SAP. SAP is being developed. Our company, both company are trying to introduce. After getting a good SAP, this software or program will be also helpful and useful for everyone through management and for worker. Everything, top to bottom, all will be getting benefit using technology. Then we are going to number 5. Do you believe the auditing process have improved the quality and result of digitization? If so, under what substance and context? On why not? Why? Auditing process have the quality. Day by day, auditing process has been improved and getting its improvement day by day, and we are going to digitize all our audit process. I have already said earlier in first question or second question, I have already understood. So quality and the result of digitization cannot be ended in a word. Digitization is much needed and is welcomed by our profession. Professional accountant are already welcoming this and getting used, getting the benefit of using technology. This is the main theme of digitization and its benefit, and it's improved our quality and result. Result is good. If the auditor use accounting also auditing software, the result is good. Number 6 is the most crucial question and most important in this area of fourth industrial revolution. This is the arena or the world of fourth industrial revolution, that is artificial intelligence. Have you read or heard the name of Klaus Schwab, World Economic Forum? The founder of World Economic Forum is a German economist and technologist, Klaus Schwab. So he wrote a book, The Fourth Industrial Revolution, that is artificial revolution, data-driven management, and this he said in his book, think it or mind taking the note on demand with page 84. He wrote that all job and all accounting and auditing activities will be under demand basis. There will be no fixed 9 to 5 from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. job, fixed salary job. There is the contractual basis, and this is ad hoc or contractual, any outsourcing or project, no work, no pay system, whatever may be. It's a big work or low work or slow work. There is contractual basis, no fixed salary job, gratuity and retirement benefit wouldn't be given in this kind of job. So this artificial intelligence will be our also threat for our profession, and also will minimize our work job opportunity in the current world. That is robotic automatic process, RAP. It is another. And Klaus Schwab wrote the fourth industrial revolution, the book. There is a corporate audit will be 30%. Corporate audit will be done by artificial intelligence, at least 30%. So 70% may be in the work of the people, physical people. Artificial intelligence is automated, cloud computing or another process, Google, everything will be used in the artificial intelligence, AI. So there is a threat for job opportunity, and also threat for the fourth industrial revolution is, I would say, threat is income and income tax. Klaus Schwab said that income and income tax will be distorted, distortion, information, say Google, Facebook, and marketing and another e-commerce marketing cannot be controlled by the actually our government because of the transaction nature. There is no fixed entry for the government, or no information is tracked by the government to impose tax or VAT on this income of the e-commerce site. Government is also trying to develop this area and will be successful in near future. That is ledger in the blockchain, or introduction of your robotic process and blockchain. Government will control everything through blockchain. This is the main theme of fourth industrial revolution. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
So technological revolution will dominate the world. Not also corporate finance, accounting, auditing, everything, marketing, production, manufacturing, all side
Technology,
will be dominated.
medicine, agriculture.
This is the minimum. So we have to be ready for the accepting the technological benefit. Otherwise, we'll be gone out from our job or our process. So we have to be ready with our theoretical background and technological background. Should be strong. Number 7, how pleased are you with the digitization for auditing? I am pleased, and I have to welcome, and I am thankful to government. So already we have introduced software of e-noti, that is filing, that is Zoom. We are getting the benefit of using Zoom. All meetings, almost 90% are being held in Zoom, e-filing, or another technology, that is our Oracle software. So there is another problem of software or using this. Our main problem of using technology is, you should know that our internet is slow. Our internet network is much slow, and this we are not getting the benefit of 5G or 4G network. So government should pay attention to this. So all depends on your getting high speed internet and not getting. This is the main problem. What advantage, possibility, and threats of digitization? I have already said artificial intelligence is a digitization is a part of artificial intelligence, and in the fourth industrial revolution, we have to get the benefit or get the advantage of using technology. So there is no way we have to go back. We cannot go back with our manual system. So get rid of our manual system, but manual system is also should be there because of security matters. We have to keep our manual system, especially in accounts receivable and accounts payable side, because of
Yes, sir. There is a high possibility of
distortion. Yeah. Very good. How do you, and second 9, how do you anticipate the future changes to the knowledge and ability needed to be an auditor? What motivation do you anticipate? So I have already answered all the question in my number 6 question. Question number 6. So 7, 8, 9 already I have said. This is the my end of our discussion. I think that you will get benefit from our discussion, and your interview will be used for your also practical field, not for you theoretical, that you giving your assignment, getting good number and getting good CGPA. This is not our purpose. Our purpose is to get
Practically,
used to
practically for
get the practical
yeah,
knowledge.
another
As soon
auditors
as
or
you, as soon as you
accountants.
engage, yeah, yeah. As soon as you get engaged in your practical field, you will get benefit the all the things, whatever manual, software, industry evolution, whatever may be. You have to go or enter your job or business in quick time. So this is I wish that you will get success and hope for the best in the next. So this is the end of our discussion.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you a lot. Goodbye,
Okay,
sir.
Assalam alaikum.